This is a demo for the HC Feng Foodie by Kleenoil. Here we have the unit, a mobile system, and here is the micron mesh. Fine, no dust inside. We clean the cap, close it. Suction delivery pipe, pneumatic pipe. Dali. Carry on. Simply turn it on. Contamination along with coolant is being sucked and delivered into the basket. At the same time, clean coolant is returning back to tank. After less than 1 minute, contamination has reached its full. This is the drying process. We are now drying the contamination and making sure complete coolant is being returned to tank. So there is no coolant loss. बंद करो. Open the basket. Contamination full. In less than 1 minute. Complete dry. 10 kgs of contamination is out. And put back and repeat the process.